Shade Vlog. Hey guys, me Shay. Today is Monday, so hey. I usually make vlogs on Tuesdays, but I had to make this vlog today because I just feel like I need to get this information out so there won't be no surprises, you know. But yeah, so there won't be no vlog tomorrow. This is tomorrow's vlog, so I'm just posting it a day early. So yeah, I won't see you bitches until Saturday. And if you haven't seen my video yet, go check the video on my page. I will leave a link in the description. It's the video of me outside of drag, and you bitches will probably like it, so yes. But anyways, let's get on with the video. I don't know if you guys heard, and I honestly don't know the whole story. You know, bad bitch Shay don't be knowing the whole story. So what I heard is that, I don't know if you bitches heard, but it's about Lil Wayne. Bitch, like this motherfucker, I don't even remember what happened, but all I can remember is that they said that he had a seizure or something and he had to go to the hospital. And then like Drake or whatever, they showed a picture on Media Takeout with Drake coming out the hospital, not the actual hospital room, but the hospital with his head down and just crying and stuff or whatever. But I don't really know, but from what I heard from TMZ, basically he had a seizure and they put him in the hospital. They put him in medically induced coma. My thing is like, oh my god, like, out of all people, I wouldn't think it would be Lil Wayne, but I mean, think about it. After you smoke so much weed and all that shit, I mean, your body can take only so much weed, so I personally don't smoke weed no more. Yes, after you smoke weed for so much, I mean, your body just can't take it no more, so, I mean, something's gotta happen, but my thing is, I just feel like, it's like, I don't know, I just can't believe that happened, but they say it can happen to anybody, so, yes, bitch, but, as you can see, I'm eating my motherfucking sour Skittles, bitch. I don't know if y'all bitches can see it, but it is sour Skittles. These hoes is really good, bitch. But yeah, anyway, so I just had to get that out, because it was just crazy. Oh, and I do want to say happy St. Patrick's Day. I know that I'm a day behind, but I mean, I just had to get this video out today. If I would have posted it Tuesday, then I would have been 2 days behind, but yeah, so I just had to get this video out. So I don't really know the whole story, but y'all can go look on the internet. I'm not gonna say where because I don't want to get my video taken down, but y'all can just look on the internet for the information. So yes, but anyways, in this video I have a couple of things that I'm getting ready to start doing. So and the days that I'm off work is obviously Tuesday and Saturdays, and those are my video days. The things that I'm getting ready to do are on these days, as well as more days. So, the good news is I'm still gonna be making videos. And the bad news is I'm not gonna be making them as often, like every single Tuesday and Saturday. I may just go ahead and like before I start this, because what I'm finna do is starting in 2 weeks. So I mean, I will try to go ahead and make videos for 2 weeks. I will try to make videos for 2 Saturdays and 2 Tuesdays. But after that, y'all are probably gonna be seeing videos that I've already recorded. So I may be having the same outfits on or whatever. But it is what it is. At least I'm making a video. But I do have some stuff that I'm getting ready to start doing. So that's going to take away from my video time for me shooting on Tuesdays and Saturdays. So I do apologize about that. But I mean, I will eventually get back to my regular Tuesdays and Saturdays. But after, not this week coming up, but the next week, basically 2 weeks from now, it'll be kind of hectic. So I don't really know when I'm going to be posting videos. I mean, I'll just try to post them whenever I can, but don't get mad if you don't see a video every Tuesday and Saturday, because like I just said, this stuff that I'm getting ready to do is gonna have my schedule out. So, I mean, I do apologize in advance, but I will try to make a video. If not, I'll just wait on a day before I start the thing that I'm finna do, the things that I'm finna do, and I would just make a whole bunch of videos, you know, just random shit. That way I can just post them whenever I can, you know. But like I said, if I be wearing the same outfit, it is what it is. But anyways, I love you bitches, and I will see you bitches on Saturday. Bye. Happy St. Patrick's Day, bitches. Love you.